Hey guys, and welcome to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you 5 ways to free up space on your iPhone or on your iPad. The first way is to delete unnecessary applications. To delete applications that you don't need. So for that, go to the settings, click on general, then iPad storage, wait a little bit. Now here you see all your applications. Delete the applications that you don't need anymore. For example, I delete Messenger. I don't need Messenger anymore, so delete. The same way you can delete any application that you don't need. The second way is to upload some of your files to Google Drive or OneDrive or iCloud. Google Drive gives you 15 gigabytes free. OneDrive gives you 5 gigabytes free space, and I think iCloud also gives you 5 gigabytes free. So the best one is, I think, Google Drive. It is also very easy to use. You can install Google Drive, OneDrive and iCloud from the App Store, but you also can use your browser to access Google Drive or OneDrive. In this video, I show you how to use your browser to access Google Drive. Open your browser. Open a new tab. Click on Google. If you don't see Google, you can directly type google.com. And then type here sign in Google Drive. Then click on sign in drive.google.com. If you have Google account already, you can give it here, otherwise you can create account. Creating account is very simple and easy. Click on create account, then choose for my personal use, for my child, for work or my business. Let us say for personal use. Then you give your first name, last name, and then next some other settings, and then you are in. It is very easy and simple to create Google account. So going back, here you can give your Gmail, then click on next, then enter your password and click on next. So this is Google Drive in my account. Some of the files that I uploaded to Google Drive. Click on the new button. Then you get these options: file upload, folder upload. You can create new Google Documents, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Forms, and etc. So Google Drive is not only a space where you can store and back up your files. It provides us many helpful, useful software and applications. All office applications and many other applications for managing your business and your daily life. So let us select the file upload. Click on file upload, and then you can choose photo library, take photo or video, choose file. Let us say we want to select it just from the library, and here you can select a file, for example this, and click on add. And here you see that it is uploading. So this way you can upload your files to Google Drive and then delete it from your phone. Then you will have enough space on your phone. So this was the second method, or the second way to free up space on your phone. The third way is to delete old and unnecessary files from your photos and from your folders. For example, your old documents, old music, old videos, old photos, and etc. Let me show you. So I use Documents application for managing files, documents, music, and etc. So open it. So these are some old files. You see some old music. So delete. Let us select multiple files. Select it, and then delete. And go to Photos. Delete the files that you don't need anymore. So you can select it and then delete. The fourth way to free up space on your phone is to delete the deleted files. So when you delete files, they don't actually get deleted. They are moved to the trash. Click on Photos, and then here you see the menu, and click on Recently Deleted. So here you see the deleted files. These are the files that we deleted. So select all of them and then delete all. Click on Delete All at the bottom left corner. Delete 6 files. Very nice. The fifth and the final way to free up space on your phone is to disable the auto download of attachments on your email, and also auto download of the media from your WhatsApp, from your Messenger, and another social media applications. Now I don't have WhatsApp or Messenger here. I just deleted the Messenger to show you how to delete applications from your iPhone or iPad, because when your friends send you photos, videos and stuff, all of them get downloaded to your phone and they take lots of space. And if you are a member of many groups, they all send photos, videos and stuff, and they all get downloaded on your phone and they fill your storage, and then you end up with a storage problem. That's it guys. If it was helpful, like the video. Make sure to watch also my other videos. I have posted many helpful, useful courses, tutorials, tips, tricks, hacks that can help you with your studies, with your projects, with your career, and with your everyday life. Thanks for watching. Take care and have beautiful times.